ng mga legislators. But how would you change the system so we would still have the infrastructure projects we need? Because ang totoo, talagang kailangan natin ang farm to market. Kailangan natin ang flood control, 'di ba? Marami tayong kailangan na infra. How would you change the way infra is planned?
Yeah, I completely agree with you, Karen. Critical to mga infra projects. Kaya kan naawa ko kay Sec Vince kasi sa kanya, focus na yung attention niya doon sa investigation instead of,
Yes.
focusing on the infrastructure projects per se. Anyway, isa lang ang nakikita ko solution diyan, but easily said and done. Mag-stick lang yung mga lawmakers natin sa trabaho nila gumawa ng batas. Pero kakayanin ba nila? Another is you also have to change the mindset of the local government officials na hindi source ng funding ang mga lawmakers. Kaya talagang it takes a lot of people to tango. Itong na to, it's an ecosystem na nangyari. Kailangan basagin natin yun and challenge the status quo. Napakahirap gawin Pero siguro that's the only way, that's the only solution na nakikita ko talaga. Stick to their functions and mission. Gawa lang sila ng batas.
Oo. Pero ang problema kasi sa laki ng ginagastos ng congressman at senador para tumakbo, right? We're hearing amounts, they're spending $500 million or 300 million pesos to run. Parang syempre babawiin nila yun.
You are absolutely right. Actually, yung binanggit mo. Yes, Karen, actually binanggit mo kung pa understatement pa yun Some of them are spending billions of pesos just to win. Iisa lang naman na rason dyan Di ba sinasabi ko naman lagi, now that I am in politics, one thing that I learned, many of our politicians, elected officials, run because of MAP. Masarap ang pera talaga. Masarap ang posisyon, masarap ang power. Yan lang talaga ang rason nila. Kaya they are willing to spend so much para manalo sila. Papatayan pa nga yan di ba? Kaya at the end of the day, it starts with the people, with the voters. It's all about choosing the right leaders. Yan ang lagi kong binabanggit Choosing the right. Nakakalungkot isipin na with all these things that are happening now, and then after 3 years during the election, we choose the same people. Oh my God.
Pero yung sinabi po ninyo, ano ba yan? Is that a term that's used internally, MAP? Masarap ang pera sa politika?
Hindi, natutunan ko yan sa mga taga-customs
Really? Yun ang
Oo.
nila dito sa gobyerno, MAP, ganon. Dito sa gobyerno, MAP, ganyan.
Oo, ganun MAP, sabi niya. Actually, sa customs, ang term nga dyan is MAP, masarap ang pera. Dinagdagan ko na lang Masarap ang power, masarap ang posisyon at higit sa lahat. Masarap talaga ang pera. Kaya kita mo, it's all about greed.
Yeah.
Walang kabusugan. Walang katapusan. Tuloy-tuloy ang pagnaanasa nila. Kaya nga in English, sabi nga nila,